Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 9.2 question number 3. Find the product, right? You have to find the product of these numbers or rational numbers. Number 1 is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Here plus into minus, that is comes to minus 7 into 9, that is 7 9 is 63, and 2 into 4, that is 2 4 is 8. That you are getting minus 63 by 7 by 8. If you divide 63 by 8, you are getting 63. Divide 63 by 8. 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. 7 6 37. That is minus 7 whole 7 by 8. That it comes to equal to minus 7 whole 7 by 8. 7 by 8. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see is, question number 2 is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into minus 9. Here you also find that plus into minus is minus, right? 3 9 is 27. 27 by 10. Now if we divide 27 by 10, 27 by 10, then we are getting 10 2 is 20. 10 2 is 20. 27 minus 20 is 7. Right? Therefore we are getting minus 2 whole 7 by 10. This is the answer. Minus 2 whole 7 by 10. Right? Minus 2 whole 7 by 10. This is the answer of question number 2. Now you solve question number 3. Question number 3 here is C is, question number 3 is minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5 multiply 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Here plus into minus is minus. 6 9 is 54. 6 9 is 54. And 5 11 is 55. That is we are getting minus 54 by 55. Minus 54 by 55. This is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4 is, here is question number 4. That is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 multiply minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Right? Here you see the plus into minus is minus. 3 is 6 and 5 7 is 35. Minus 6 by 35 is the answer of question number 4. Minus 6 by 35 is the answer of question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is 3 by 11. 3 by 11 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. If you multiply the numerator, 3 into 2 is 6. 3 is 6 and 5 into 11 is 55. That is 6 by 55. Therefore the answer of question number 5 is 6 by 55. Now question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is, that is 3 by minus 5. 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. If we cut this one, that is 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. And you are getting 1 into 1, that is minus 1. And here also 1 into 1, that is minus 1. And minus divided by minus is plus. Therefore it is 1 by 1. And the answer comes to 1. 1 is the answer of question number 6. What is the answer of question number 6? Right? This is answer 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.